This video will show you how to replace an acrylic plate top of an E4, Infinity, and a Q6. The following tools are required to perform this maintenance: Ultrasun Smart Hands and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. We recommend performing the process with 2 people. Keep in mind to always support the plate when performing the steps. Use the flathead screwdriver to flip the side strips loose. Then, remove the entire strip. Repeat this handling on both sides. First, place the smart hands on both sides of the acrylic plate. Pull the acrylic plate to one side to slide the other side out of the profile. Now the plate is loose and can be taken out. You can now perform any maintenance. In case of a new acrylic plate, first remove the protective film. Place the new plate onto the bench. First, slide the plate into the profile at one side. Then, use the smart hands to pull it into the groove. Repeat this on the other side until the plate fits into place. Now you can place back the strips. Press the strip into the groove on one side and carefully press it into place. When the strip is almost fully placed, first press the end of the strip into place and then press the upstanding part until you hear a click. Repeat this handling on the other side. You have now successfully replaced the acrylic plate top. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.